everyone, it's your girl Promise Bakari. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel today. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed already, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video, which is just the DIYing of this jacket. This is an old one that I've had from New Look. I got them when it was on sale for like £14 or so, and I see like the crop jacket is back in trend, is back in fashion. Everybody's spending their coins, and I was just thinking, I am not spending any coins. I am just gonna dig mine out, do a couple of tricks and DIY on it, and voila, it's as good as new. So again, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into this video. So before we get started, this is what the jackets basically look like. It has some buttons on the sleeves and some pockets at the bottom and on the top as well. The pockets at the bottom is not very handy, so I won't be regretting that much. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before we get started. The first thing we need to do is do up all the buttons of the jacket. This will create a more accurate guideline which we would need for the next step. Before cutting, you need to position the jacket in the most comfortable position, and guys, get a razor sharp scissors. I'm using my tailor scissors, which is really sharp, and it helps to make things more precise and easy to achieve that fine edge line that you're going for. As my mark, I'm following the natural guideline of the jacket and keeping to the edge of it as much as possible, just to make sure my line is straight when I finish. As the jacket is going to be a lot shorter, I'm cutting off the inside label. I'm also cutting off the sleeves because they're quite tight. So this is a good opportunity to chop those off. I'm saving everything I cut off. Call me weird, but I feel like I can use them again in the future. So I'm keeping everything I cut off from the waist of the jacket and the sleeves. Our last and final step is fraying the edge of the jacket. So I achieve this by simply rubbing it together as if you were washing your clothes. Literally, this works like magic. I also use the scissors as well to roughen around the edges, but you can actually just see the jacket start transforming right before your eyes just from really roughing it up and washing it as if, you know, you're washing it in, like, you know, with soap and water. If you really want to take this to the more extreme, you can put this in a washing machine and let it spin a couple of hours, but you would still achieve exactly the same result. I'm doing this to the sleeves as well because, again, we want to have it even and decent, and that is the end result. I'll be showing you guys now the few ways that I'm going to be styling this jacket. For the first look, guys, I went for some white and black summer layer. I'm going to be wearing this netty white dress for a long time. I got this, I think it was from Urban Outfitters. The bottoms, I'm wearing the check white and black bottom. I actually made that myself. I paired it up with this glittery, shiny bralette because I feel like it adds some character to it. From a DIY I done ages ago, I cut up some of the denim and I used that as my necklace. My clutch is actually my housemate's CD holder. So for look 2, this is denim on denim. If you already follow me, this is no surprise. I love my denim looks. I went for a kind of oversized denim jeans, which I paired with the Topshop belt that I got, the one with the dog chain. If you checked my last haul, you will see this belt. Again, the bralette is still here to stay, and I paired it with some heels with studs on it, just a basic black platform heels, and of course some quirky glasses to complete the entire look. As an additional piece to add some edge to this look, I used the waistline of the jacket to as a belt. I actually really like this, and I'm going to be doing it. I just wanted to try it and see if it worked, and I'm glad it did, and it just added a lot more character to the look itself. So for the third and final look, I went for a white and white flared crop top like outfit. This coordination outfit I have under the jacket, I made again myself. If you guys are interested to see me make anything, I am not a professional. Do let me know in the comment section. To add more character to the jacket itself, I brought the dog chain from the belt. And my shoes are the trainers I picked up from Topshop. This again is on my last haul. If you've not checked out my last haul video, check it out. The final thing I added was some glasses, just for character. This time is a clear glasses. These glasses I picked up from ASOS. I really like this look just because if you were going out for a barbecue or you're grabbing lunch with your friends, it's a nice look when you want to look effortless and not over the top, but at the same time it looks really clean and it looks really now, which is what I love. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed the lookbook as well. It's like a mini lookbook, but I'm having fun just showing you guys a couple styles. So please do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite. I love all the looks as usual, but I would like to see which of the look you guys were vibing with. And thank you so much again for stopping by. I'll speak to you lovely people real soon. As always, stay blessed. I love you guys loads. Mwah.